Hi guys, I'm Henry. Today we will see which of the animals is a predator and who is not. The cat is a predator. The dog is a predator. The giraffe is not a predator. The bird is not a predator. The crocodile is a predator. The zebra is not a predator. The rabbit is not a predator. The raccoon is not a predator. The pig is not a predator.